amazing YouTube friends. Welcome back to the Sickest Garage here on the platform. I am pumped to have you here. My name is B with Pray for Snow Auto Detailing, and I have with me a Turbo RZR S. It is beautiful. I don't remember the color, something with, I don't remember, and I think it's 2020-ish, 2020 on, I don't know the exact year, but it is here to be completely transformed. RZR details are always so much fun. Well, side-by-side details are always so much fun because they're always a little bit dirty and they usually go pretty quick, and it's fun. I think side-by-sides are totally a blast, and so it's always fun to spend a little time with them here in the garage. So let's go to work on the wheels and tires. We're gonna do something slightly different today, something I've actually never done on ever. Oh, I gotta take the ring off. Something I've never done on details. I'm going to use Built Hamber Auto Foam, which is a pre-wash. I'm actually going to use this on the undercarriage and the suspension and stuff to see, some sensors down there, to see if it can actually bond with it well. We know what Built Hamber Auto Foam does. It bonds with those dirt particles and takes them safely to the floor. So I think that's gonna help with the rinsing and the cleaning of the undercarriage and the engine compartment here. I'm trying to make sure that this is super clean and always trying to advance my technique. So we're gonna do that and clean the wheels and tires at the same time. Oh my gosh, fuel wheels. That, in the last 4 months, I have done, I don't know, 10, 12 vehicles with fuel wheels, and I just barely captured that these are fuel wheels as well. Awesome. One thing, when I was moving the side-by-side around, I noticed, and definitely Monkey noticed because he was helping me move things, was that there are lights everywhere. There's a huge LED light bar up above. There's actually some undercarriage lights I noticed when I was rinsing that, which I think is totally sick. I mean, if you're gonna have a cool side-by-side, you might as well have awesome lights as well. And now, well, what was that one? No, I almost said tomato. Orange?
No, it wasn't a tomato.
I know, I almost said tomato. I was thinking of something else. What's up, man?
Hi.
Hi. Bananas. You got more than one this time.
Yeah.
Did you ever remember the video where you brought me out one banana?
No.
I know it was after you got off school, but I don't remember.
This is the baby banana.
That's a baby banana?
Yeah.
I may eat one of them for breakfast.
That's all I had to say.
That's all you had to say?
Remember on My Dad's a Bounty Hunter? He says, I'm going to get that one. And he says, you know that's a key. You know that. And they say, man, that's what I got.
I don't remember that. I haven't watched My Dad's a Bounty Hunter. Good morning, Monkey. How are you? I just realized Spartacus brought out those bananas, teased me with them, and then never left them for breakfast. Punk. Not going to be very waterproof if they're not zipped up. detailed a dually, Ford dually the other day, or quite a while ago, a couple weeks ago, and it had more mud on the undercarriage than this whole exterior of this RZR, and interior, I guess, but it's crazy. Crazy. A lot of mud on this, but way more mud on that. Let's hand wash and go foam cannoning. Foam is awesome because even though I've rinsed this sufficiently and used pre-wash, it seems that on these side-by-sides on all off-road vehicles, dust and debris can kind of hide in all these crannies. Foam seems to find that really, really well and acts as like a second, third, and fourth step to just make sure that it's super duper clean. The plexiglass windshields on these RZRs, just on Polaris, well, side-by-sides in general, brand is not specific. It tends to swirl if you wipe it with a microfiber towel, so we're just gonna air cannon this whole machine. My buddy just bought, he has a Ranger, big one, and he bought a glass windshield, and I said, good call, because obviously glass doesn't swirl as bad as plexi. For the plastic protection, not the paint protection, for the plastic protection, I am going to use the last coat, or Ceratrim from the last coat. Plastic has a lot of pores, and it works pretty good as a plastic protection product. Makes it look black and clean without greasy, so I want to use that. For the tiny bit of paint that's on here, just going to use ceramic liquid wax from, I think it's McGuire's. Ah, it is. Exterior was so sick. I also put that ceramic coating all over the painted areas as well, because there's no use in using the Ceratrim on that. It's kind of oily, so it doesn't work well on stickers or paint. But interior, and it's going to be so sick. Most of the interior I sprayed off when I pressure washed. There's some things like the seats, I'm gonna try and pull them out because that white leather is just, it's dirty and it needs a tiny bit more love, and then everything else I'm just gonna wipe down, and then we'll protect all the interior plastics. As a side note, I'm going to protect the trunk plastic. It's really bumpy, so that Ceratrim again is really oily. It just doesn't work very well. I've tried it on that bumpy stuff. It doesn't work very well. So I'm gonna use Carpro Pearl on that. With our fearless friends, P&S Express Interior Detailer, and older detailing brush and an older microfiber towel, we'll make these seats and just a tiny spot in the interior look incredible. folks out there that think, why just not pressure wash the whole inside? These things are built to be outside, and that is totally true. However, there is an aftermarket stereo in there, and I didn't install it. I don't know who did, and it really doesn't matter to me because it's aftermarket. I don't want to be the cause of something not working, and so I pressure washed as much as I felt comfortable doing, and then hand washed everything else with the APC. And it works out great because it's going to be clean, and I'm the one detailing it, so I make the call. Plastic protection with Carfrel Purple. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, Epic customer, for letting me detail this RZR Turbo S. It was a ton of fun. I hope you like that product that I put on the plastics, and I hope you love this video. Thank you, my dearest friends, for hanging out. Like, subscribe, whatevs. We'll see you on the next one.